So we found ourselves in a country where somebody can just wake up one day and just do whatever he likes, and we are supposed to just take it without any awareness, without any time of preparation. We are now in this situation we are now. I just came back from where I went to get fuel. I stood in that queue for a very long time. With all my standing and everything, I still could not get fuel, and the fuel was selling around $6.50 or so. So I want to ask you this question. You are expecting creatives now to go through the whole creative process. You pay them $5,000, $6,000, $10,000. Then after they will buy fuel, because there is no light after we buy fuel and do all these things, you still want us to charge you the same price we are charging, which is like you indirectly becoming a winch that do not want us to progress. So I have joined Kegan and every other person as I'm making this video. I'm making this video to tell you guys that don't be angry when you see that we increase our price. Photographers are the set of persons that do not increase price every year because of the present situation. Photographers are the set of persons that increase price once in a while. So if I'm increasing my price now, nobody should be against it, because it takes a long time for us to increase price, but the present situation now gives us no choice but to increase our price. So please, if you see my price list and it has increased, don't get mad. Just know it's because of the present situation of the country. To my fellow creatives, if you feel this current situation and the current decision is right, please do well to share this video and also drop a comment for me to know that you are with me on this one. My name is Geetee, and I'll see you in my next video.